Do you know that AI cars are now being tested in some of the hottest places on Earth? Deserts where normal vehicles would fail within hours? Welcome to NeuroDriveAiReels. Subscribe and join the ride. When you think of the desert, you imagine an unforgiving world, endless dunes, scorching heat, sand that cuts into machinery like glass. These are not the kinds of places we expect cutting-edge cars to thrive. But the world of mobility is shifting. AI cars, electric, sensor-driven, and self-regulating, are now being pushed into deserts to prove one thing: survival under the harshest conditions. Why? Because the desert is nature's ultimate stress test. If a machine can live here, it can live anywhere. Imagine a sleek AI hypercar gliding over desert highways while the air itself seems to shimmer from heat. Its vents flare open automatically, sensors track every fluctuation of temperature, and holographic warnings pop into the cockpit before the human eye even notices danger. This is the new frontier. Deserts turning into laboratories for AI mobility. The first challenge of desert driving is not the sand, not even the storms. It's the heat. Engines seize, tires burst, batteries overheat. AI cars have turned this challenge into a science experiment. Inside their frames are liquid cooling loops, pulsing like veins in a body. These loops don't just react when things get hot, they predict heat before it happens. Cameras and thermal sensors scan the road ahead, recognizing how the asphalt surface is heating in real time. If a hotter zone is detected, the car prepares, shifting cooling flow, reducing power draw, even adjusting the shade of its smart glass roof to block radiation. Then there are AI-regulated heat shields. Think of them like scales of armor across the car's body, which can reflect sunlight and dissipate heat in patterns that keep the battery and electronics stable. Traditional cars burn out here. AI cars adapt, making every kilometer a battle against physics that they're programmed to win. But the desert has more than heat. It has storms. Sandstorms arrive without warning, erasing the horizon in minutes. Visibility drops to zero, dust suffocates air filters, and driving becomes suicide for most vehicles. For AI cars, sandstorms are a proving ground. Instead of headlights and guesswork, they rely on LiDAR, radar, and infrared mapping. Dust clouds scatter visible light, but LiDAR beams cut through the storm like invisible eyes. The car doesn't just see the storm, it maps every swirl of particles, every dune being reshaped by the wind. Holograms inside the cockpit project a safe corridor in glowing blue. Instead of panic, the driver sees certainty. In convoys, AI cars communicate like migrating.